The Iowa Supreme Court has agreed to hear arguments over the fetal heartbeat law that was passed this summer. The law restricts abortions after 6 weeks. Abortion providers and the American Civil Liberties Union sued, and a Polk County judge ruled that the law would be on hold pending that legal fight. Governor Kim Reynolds and Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird said the Iowa Supreme Court will hear the case. Bird says that since Roe v. Wade was overturned, the Iowa Supreme Court ruled abortion is not a right under the state constitution. A statement from Governor Reynolds reads, quote, "The people of Iowa and their elected representatives have spoken clearly and by a wider margin than before. It's time for the fetal heartbeat law to be upheld once and for all," end quote. But no word yet on when the Supreme Court will hear the appeal. Right now, abortion is legal up to 20 weeks of pregnancy.